Now we will practice Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Fill your lungs with air. First close your right nostril, breathe in from your left. Sitting upright, eyes closed, mind calm. Right nostril to be closed with your thumb, focus on left nostril below the middle finger. Back straight, eyes closed, mind calm. With complete faith and dedication, we will practice Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Breathe in from the left, exhale from the right. Now inhale from right one and exhale from left one. Do this for a while. Breathe in from left, breathe out from right, then breathe in from right, exhale from left. Continue doing this special pranayam. This is Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Fill in your lungs up to the diaphragm and then exhale. Lungs have to be filled with air up to diaphragm and then exhale in a rhythmic manner. This has to be done in this sequence. First practice Bhastrika, then Kapalabhati, then Bahya, and then Anulom Vilom. Practice of Kapalabhati Pranayam activates pancreas. The effect of diabetes on the pancreas and the problem of kidney we come to know when beta cells of the pancreas, nearly 80% of them stop functioning. When 80% of kidney is damaged, then kidney's problem becomes apparent. Solution to both these problems lies in practice of yoga. If with practice of Kapalabhati our kidney and our pancreas are activated, then Anulom Vilom Pranayam is beneficial in all complications that result from diabetes. Hypertension is one such complication. Diabetes may also result in gangrene. Body's blood circulation reduces, eyesight becomes weak, heart also weakens. Anulom Vilom helps in reducing all these ailments. Blockages of the heart may open up by practicing Anulom Vilom. Total heart problem like cardiac problem like blockage of the heart, functioning of the heart has stopped functioning properly, or where some heartbeats are skipping, practice Anulom Vilom Pranayam. It is a beneficial pranayam for hypertension as well as heart ailments. Your heart may get a new lease of life. If you practice both Kapalabhati and Anulom Vilom, you can delay the need to go for a bypass. Take a deep breath and exhale slowly. Also, focus on the breath taken naturally. Take as much time breathing out as you spend breathing in. In Anulom Vilom, you breathe in and breathe out continuously. Eyes closed, mind calm, very calm. Hypertension, depression, ailments, fear of insecurity, sadness, worry, stress makes your head heavy. It makes people scared. Every person is scared of something. Every person is insecure from within. Every person has assumed that he is lonely. But if you practice Anulom Vilom Pranayam with faith, full of dedication, then Almighty God will always be with you. Never feel dejected, never be sad. Every moment, feel God's presence with you. World around you may have deserted you. The people that you supported all your life, they might have deserted you. Now you stand there alone in life, but God will never desert you. Try and imagine and feel that you are sitting in the lap of loving Holy Father. Keep practicing pranayam. Keep merging with the Almighty. Try to feel that you are one with infinity. After all, He is our Father. Let's go back to Him. Let's go back to our real home, towards that friend of ours who has remained with us birth after birth, towards that unselfish love, that all-forgiving motherly love. This pran is life's energy force. In Upanishad, pran is defined as
Prano hai pita. प्राण माता, प्राण भ्राता, प्राण ससा, प्राण आचार्य, प्राण ब्राह्मण, अवा तबाही भी सदम। वेद में इन प्राणों को ही औषधि, और तुम ही विश्व भेषजो, विश्व औषधि।
Your loving father, loving mother, loving brother, loving friend, Brahmin, teacher will make your thoughts and actions holy and your attitude positive. Today, negative attitude is destroying individuals, is destroying the society. Society is disintegrating. Anulom Vilom Pranayam will turn your attitude positive. It turns life into a celebration. Your breath exudes a fragrance. Life becomes as beautiful as a dawn. Relax, stop for a while. This is the way you have to practice Anulom Vilom every day for 15 minutes. Gradually increase the duration. Anulom Vilom Pranayam helps to tone up your nervous system. Your heart may become quite healthy. Problems related to the brain may subside. Parkinson's disease may become curable. Paralysis can also subside, but it may take a long time. Amazing benefits. Polio victims may also benefit. Polio patients, our experience with practitioners have shown remarkably positive impact on those suffering from paralysis, brain tumor and cancerous growth anywhere in the body. But for this you will have to practice Kapalabhati, Anulom Vilom for 15 minutes each. Asthma, bronchitis, sinusitis. It helps to cure all these problems. Chronic arthritis may also be cured by doing Anulom Vilom Pranayam and Kapalabhati together for 15 minutes each. Even filaria, which has no cure, may show marked improvement. Even the problem of varicose veins, which is tough to cure, may subside. Always practice Kapalabhati and Anulom Vilom together. Both the Pranayam, Kapalabhati and Anulom Vilom, there is a harmony between them. Problems of leukoderma, psoriasis, these may also subside. Power of Pranayam is really amazing. Very amazing. Just do it with faith. Faith and dedication. Faith and dedication. Struggle and hard work done with faith and dedication will always change conditions and path of your life. And for this change you need a pious resolve. In one moment you can change. Come, let's do Anulom Vilom once again. You are doing with complete faith, with full dedication. Take a deep breath and exhale. Breathe in and out very gently. Breathe in and out gently. Expecting mothers can practice all the pranayams except Kapalabhati, but they must do them slowly, soundless breathing. This may delete chances of abnormal and disabled babies. It will minimize the chances of muscular dystrophy in newborns. Ailments like hole in the heart, diabetes at the time of birth can also be controlled. Anulom Vilom Pranayam. It is effective in cases of muscular dystrophy. Muscular dystrophy or atrophy is also solved. Progress is slow, but it is happening. Even multiple sclerosis patients have gained. Pranayam is helping mongoloid kids also. They are showing improvement. Pranayam is amazing. People are getting a new life. Old body gets destroyed, old mind gets destroyed. If you want a change in your life, then you will have to change completely. You will have to destroy yourself completely. Then you will get a new life, new vision. And for this change, you don't need time. What you need is a resolve. Maharishi Patanjali said, practice pranayam with full faith. Invoke God with full faith, full dedication. Change will happen in a moment. And in next moment, you will find yourself completely healthy. Ailments will reduce. You will attain tranquility. You will achieve enlightenment. All ailments, psychosomatic ailments, fears, doubts may subside. As the mind becomes detached, you may not crave for material world. Then physical ailments may vanish on their own. All chronic ailments may get cured. Just practice Anulom Vilom Pranayam for 15 minutes and before that Kapalabhati with dedication, then see the results. Your life will transform. All ailments may subside. Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Once again, take some rest. Do it for 5 minutes, then stop. First day, do it for 1 or 2 minutes. Even that will tire you out. Do it with prayer in your heart. Om.
तेजोसी तेजोमयी, ओम बलमसी बलमयी, ओम ओजोसी ओजोमयी दे, ओम वीर्यमसी वीर्यमयी। प्रभु से प्रार्थना करते जाना। ओम तेजोसी तेजोमयी दे, ओम वीर्यमसी वीर्यमयी दे, ओम ओजोसी ओजोमयी दे, ओम बलमसी बलमयी दे।
Come pray to God, Lord, give me energy, grant me a wish, make me brave, give me self-esteem, faith, dedication. Make me sober, remove all obstacles. Within me lie the Vedas, Shastras, within me lies good. And Ashtachakras from Muladhar to Sahasrahar.
अष्टचक्र, मूलाधार, स्वादिष्ठान, मणिपुर, हृदय, अनहत विशुद्धि, आज्ञा और सहस्रार चक्र।
With Anulom Vilom Pranayam, we purify these Ashtachakras. Purification of Ashtachakras. Control over 9 doors. Automatically happens with Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Let us once again practice Anulom Vilom with complete faith. From left nostril, breathe into the lungs, not into the stomach. Keep this in mind. From right nostril, exhale. Inhale from the right, then exhale from left. Out. Keep practicing Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Your Kundalini Shakti will get awakened. Energy level will also increase.
अष्टचक्रा नवद्वारा देवानां पुरयुध्या तस्यां हिरण्यः कोशाः सर्गो ज्योतिषावृतः।
All 8 chakras will be purified. All 9 openings will be purified. Awakening of Kundalini Shakti from Anulom Vilom Pranayam will happen automatically. In Yajurveda, God has rightly said,
यस्मिन् ऋजः सामेदंसि यस्मिन् प्रतिष्ठिता रथना भाविवाराः यस्मिश्चित्तं सर्वमूतं प्रजानां तन्मे मनः शिव संकल्पमस्तु।
with Anulom Vilom Pranayam, Vedas present in our body get awakened. You have Vedas, you have Shastras, Rig, Yajur, Sam, Atharva Ved. The knowledge of these is within you. Past, present and future just go by. You are son of God. Why are you so sad? Why are you so depressed? You become son of God. You become carrier of divine power. 2000 years ago, there were no temples, Gurdwara, etc. on this land. The center of religion was supposed to be within our body. It is still there. The mind which has given birth to Gita is still within you. Gita is within you, Veda is within you, Puran is within you, Bible is within you, all divine knowledge is within you. Keep doing Anulom Vilom Pranayam with the sense that your body, mind, pran, soul and everything is being enlightened. You are receiving light and energy from all directions. Have this feeling. Your mind will change, nature will change, life will change, attitude will change. While doing Anulom Vilom Pranayam, you will reach in a state of thoughtlessness. You will reach to a high energy level.
ऋतंभरा तत्प्रज्ञा निर्विचार वैशाद्यध्यात्म प्रसाद ऋतंभरा तत्प्रज्ञा।
You will receive knowledge. You will become enlightened. You will become an enlightened soul. By doing this, your mind will become stable. Anulom Vilom Pranayam make all your ailments. This is one aspect. Even more important aspect is you will get a new life, a new approach. Your life would be enlightened. You will become a true saint.
तपस्विभ्यो अधिको योगी ज्ञानिभ्यो की मतोधिकः कर्मिभ्यश्च अधिको योगी तस्मात् योगी भव अर्जुन।
In Gita, Shri Krishna said, become a yogi and then you will be able to perform your duties as a warrior. Yoga is not an escape. It is in fact performing your duties.
योगः कर्म सुकोस्तरम्।
Then wherever you are, you will convert this land into a heaven. You will be above casteism, religious narrowness, corruption and crime. You will be above these. With this positive attitude, you will build a new nation. That's why with yoga you will get health. With yoga spiritual values will be established. With yoga self-confidence and patriotism will be ignited. Love for the nation will rise. And whatever is indigenous will come in use for the development of the nation. So health, spiritualism, patriotism, all this will be developed by practice and meditation. Once again take a break, rest for some time. So you must practice this Anulom Vilom Pranayam every day for 15 minutes. Slowly you must increase the duration. As a result, your life will change. You will become carrier of divine powers. In reality, you will become son of God, and in that form you will serve your country. This is Anulom Vilom Pranayam. This may help you to control hypertension. By practicing Anulom Vilom Pranayam, heart ailments may also subside. By Anulom Vilom Pranayam, all the diseases related to your nervous system, all ailments related to your brain, problems of eyes may subside over a period of time. All ailments may subside. You will be in a state of meditation. All 8 chakras, 8 openings will be purified. By practicing this pranayam regularly, all your physical powers would be balanced. God will bless you himself. You will receive his blessings. Earth, fire, wind, water and sky all will work positively for you. Just sit straight, be natural and meditate with positive attitude. So practice Anulom Vilom Pranayam every day for about 15 minutes. And now we'll perform Brahmari Pranayam. This will give you peace. Your index finger will be on the forehead. Rest 3 on your eyes. You will not open your mouth. You will chant Omkar from nostrils. Remember, you have to close your ears with your thumb. First listen to the shloka of this pranayam.
ओंकारम बिंदु संयुक्तम नित्यम ध्यायन्ति योगिनः ओम इति एकाक्षरम ब्रह्म कह करके.
This was told by Sri Krishna in Gita. This was chanted by Yogiraj Lord Sri Krishna. This was chanted by none other than Lord Shiva himself, and also chanted by Lord Rama, Omkar.
तस्य वाचकः प्रणवः तज्जपस्तदत्.
This was told by Maharshi Patanjali. In Brahmari Pranayam, first chant through nostrils. Ears will remain closed with your thumbs. Sound of Om should come like a buzz of the buzzing bee. Hypertension, depression. Mind will become free. You will reach a state of meditation. All the physical ailments may subside because 80% of diseases are due to tension. All tension will dissolve while you breathe during Brahmari Pranayam. In Brahmari Pranayam, inhale deeply into the lungs and then create the sound of Om. This is Brahmari Pranayam. Then put your hands down. Practice this daily at least 3 to 5 times. And if you have time, then you can practice this for 11 to 21 times. Keep both the hands on knee in Dhyan Mudra. Now we'll do Udgit Pranayam. Breathe in deeply. Focus your mind in Aja Chakra. During Brahmari Pranayam, Aja Chakra will rise like the sun in the sky, and in the luminosity of that light, you will perceive Om. And now we start Udgit Pranayam. First inhale deeply and focus on the Aja Chakra with the chanting of Om. Then be silent. But while breathing, focus on Om. Practice Udgit Pranayam like this as long as you can. Again be silent. Focus on Om while breathing, sitting in a natural and easy position. With each breath, With each pran, focus on Om. Now lift both your hands and rub the palms of your hands together. Then keep your palms on your eyes to feel the heat generated. Now open your eyes. Just practice this pranayam every day. If you are short of time, then practice for 30 minutes, 45 minutes. If you are suffering from many ailments, then increase the timings gradually with proper breaks in between. If you cannot sit upright on the floor, then use a chair. If you cannot sit on a chair, then you can also practice while lying down on the floor.